Jeff Berry, No Dogs Left Behind. This is Bolt. Bolt is a 619 survivor, rescued by brave activists and No Dogs Left Behind, heading to Yulin. Bolt is a Yulin survivor. Wow, such soft fur. Bolt. I want to show you something. Okay, Bolt. You see the legs? You can tell by Bolt's legs. Bolt's legs were tied. You can tell by the discoloration. Bolt's one of those dogs where they tied the legs up. Come here, Bolt. Come here, sweetie. Come here, sweetie. We haven't spent much time, Bolt and I, together. But now, you know, you can see the legs. That's where they tied Bolt's legs together. So obviously Bolt is extremely fearful of humans. Definitely ready for adoption. Of course, cautious of humans. We need a brave adopter to adopt Bolt. And beautiful teeth, about 4 years old. But look at these beautiful teeth. My God, you're so beautiful. Bolt, you're so beautiful. We need brave and hero adopters to adopt dogs like Bolt into their forever loving home in order for us to continue to intercept dog trafficking trucks, shut down slaughterhouses, and end Yulin. Yes, Bolt. Yes, sweet. Yes, sweet. Can I touch you? Can I try to pick you up, Bolt? Oh, Bolt. Oh, Bolt. Oh, Bolt. Good boy, Bolt. Good girl, Bolt. As you can see, Bolt is extremely cautious, but I have no words. We got to get dogs like Bolt into a forever loving home. Please have a heart. Help us adopt dogs like Bolt into their forever loving home. Thank you for trusting me, Bolt. You know how hard it is. Nobody's ever gonna hurt you again. Oh, you just sit down. Okay, sweetie. It's okay, sweetie. Let me take this off you. Okay. Good job, Bolt. Good job, Bolt. Come here, Bolt. Here. Here you go, Bolt. Here you go. Come here, sweetie. Come here. Good job, Bolt. Jeff Berry, No Dogs Left Behind. Please contact No Dogs Left Behind Adoptions to adopt Bolt and be a hero to No Dogs Left Behind, and certainly a hero to Bolt. Yes, sweetie.